Are you looking for a large 4-bedroom townhouse located in the southwest side of Las Vegas? Well, in this video, we are going to be touring the Barclay floor plan, so stick around. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with Exp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome to Gardenia by Beezer Homes. Now, this is a townhouse community. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're in a really good location. Okay, so we're right off of the 215 and Sunset. Now, the area is great just because you have a bunch of shopping centers close by. You got a bunch of restaurants, as well as we have like 3 hospitals within 5 miles away. Really good location, guys, especially if you're looking to buy a home to rent it out. Well, this is a very, very good area, okay? I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 3 different floor plans here: the Griffin, the Bedford, and the Barclay, okay? All ranging from 1248 square feet all the way up to 2044 square feet, okay? With the base prices ranging from $383,990 all the way up to $474,990. Now, guys, when you see the base price, just know that upgrades are not included. Now, here in this community, they're doing all spec homes, quick moving homes, okay? Which means they're just picking out all the options. That way, by the time you get into contract, you have about like a 2 to 3 to 4 month wait time. Now, from the base prices, I would add about $25,000 to $35,000 to that. That'd be like your out the door price, okay? Something that's really neat about this community as well is if you're looking for a townhouse that has a bedroom downstairs, especially the primary bedroom downstairs, definitely check out this video because all these homes have a bedroom downstairs. Now, the HOA here is going to be $145 a month. That's going to include the picnic area, the playground, the dog park, as well as the exterior maintenance. Also, this community is going to have solar, guys. So Beezer, like when they make their communities moving forward, that's kind of the route they're headed to. They want all of their homes to have solar. So it's going to be very energy efficient. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's about it. So let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome to the Barclay floor plan. This is going to be their largest floor plan. It's going to be a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,044 square feet. The base price is $474,990. Again, this is going to be a 3-story. It's cool. It has like a kind of like a balcony covered patio in the 3rd floor there. So it's going to be a 6x7 door right here. Again, just like the Griffin, the Bedford, you're going to have that primary bedroom downstairs right here. Okay. You got your stairs that go up to the 2nd floor. So this looks very similar to the Bedford and the Griffin. Okay, you also have like the 8-foot ceilings here. Okay, I would say this room is about, like the 14 by 11. All right. So you're gonna have your primary closet right here. And then you'll have your 3/4 bath. Okay, so 3/4 bath. It would be a full bath if it had like a tub. Even if it was a shower tub, that'd be full bath. But since it only has a shower, toilet, sink, that's considered a 3/4 bath. All right. So walk-in closet right here. Okay. You're going to have your door to your garage. Cool. So it's for your garage. You're going to have your water softener loop. Then you're going to have your water tank. It's going to be in the corner right over there. Okay. You also have a 9-foot garage. It's also very spacious. It's wide. Okay. I've seen single family homes that have more narrow garages than this. or it almost feels like it's like 1.5 car garage. So you have your laundry room right here. Okay, again, appliances are not included. When I say appliances, that means the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. Okay, you'll have your Honeywell thermostat right here to control the temperature in the first floor. Also too, Beezer Homes are energy efficient homes. Okay, so this is just a little bit more about that in case you want to pause it. Nice, looks like they went with this upgraded railing right here. Right, so let's head to the second main floor. Okay, so it looks like you got your air filters right there. So welcome to the main floor. Very open layout. It's nice and cozy. Okay, so you have your living room here. Nice big kitchen. And then you're gonna have your balcony right over here. Okay, so you got your balcony. Now, this house, again, I think this house would be a great option if you were looking to buy a house, but you wanted to rent out the rooms. Just because, like in this floor plan, you have the bedrooms are separated. They're on different levels, so you know all your roommates would have their own like privacy. Okay. Or if you just wanted to buy it as a rental, it'd be a great option. Again, just because of the bedroom isolations. So this is going to be your primary bedroom right here. All right. I believe this is your primary because here you're going to have dual sinks. So you'll have your toilet room right there. Okay. You also have your shower right there. And then your walk-in closet, it's going to be a little bit larger. So you also have your smart panel box there. That's going to be for your internet router and modem. Okay, again, guys, this is going to be a 3/4 bath. Yes, nice too. It's a 9-foot ceilings in the middle floor. So, and this is just the view of the area. Again, nice area. You're gonna be you're close to like a lot of things. You're gonna be close to a bunch of restaurants, stores, hospitals nearby. Okay, if you're planning to rent maybe like midterm rentals, like 30+ days, traveling nurses. I mean, there's a couple of hospitals close by. Okay, so right here you're gonna have your powder room. Okay, it's right here. And then you do have like a whole house air filtration system. Okay, but yeah, this is for Beezer. They're very efficient with the way they regulate temperature also, and plus they have this here instead of like the attic now because it's works more efficiently if it's at room temperature. Easier to maintenance, longer lifespan. Okay. And then we're gonna have your pantry right here. But yeah, let's head upstairs. Okay. So headed up to the 3rd floor. So again, like the first 2 levels are going to be very similar to like the Bedford and the Griffin. Okay, but this is going to be the 3rd floor. So you're going to have 2 bedrooms on the 3rd floor. You're going to have that bath right there. This is actually the really cool part of the house. So you have this area where you could just literally hang out and chill. This is like a balcony, but it feels like a covered patio. I feel like if this was my house, I'd be here most of the time. So you take a look at that. Yeah, that'd be cool. Set up your TV here and just kind of feel like you're inside but outside. Okay, and you have a little loft area. Right here, you're gonna have a guest bedroom. Now this is a pretty good sized guest bedroom for sure. This is gonna be a full size bed. Okay, as you can see, you have room to the side. And just if you're curious, let me know if you want to know the exact dimensions. I could definitely get that information for you. If you're interested in this new build, or if you're just interested in any new build communities and you plan on visiting, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to be there with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, at least let them know you're interested, so that way they show up with you on your very first visit. The thing is, if you go by yourself and the builder agent, they get your name, your number, your email, they won't let you have agent representation down the road. The new build agents look after the builder's best interest, but we look after your best interest, okay? So that's something that's really important to know. We negotiate for you. We make sure you get all the max builder incentives. We hold the builders accountable, okay? Lastly, the builders pay the agent fees. So, you know, definitely a win-win and a no-brainer to get yourself some representation. Okay, now this is going to be your see, this is going to be your full bath here. We got the shower tub combo, sink, got the dual sinks. Okay, you have your linen closet here. All right, yeah, this is the third floor is definitely really cool. Very cozy, along with the middle floor. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this floor plan in the comments below. But yeah, until then, I will catch you guys next video.